how to fix your Uber driver app not going online problem. So we have a few methods over here that could potentially fix this problem. So the first thing is to check your internet and GPS, so ensure a stable data or Wi-Fi connection. So no offline signal, of course, will uh not let you go online. So toggle airplane mode on or off if needed. Enable precise location and confirm Uber has location permissions. You can do this in the settings. The next is to accept pending prompts. So open the app menu and check for action required prompts, e.g. the COVID photo, updated legal terms, or terms of service. There, you can complete them and it should fix the problem if you haven't yet. So, if you can go ahead and try to allow draw over other apps, it could help you as well. So on Android, you can ensure Uber driver is allowed to appear over other apps, and which is the overlay permission. Android only, long press the app icon, go to the permissions, and enable appear on top. You can also go ahead and try signing out and back in. Many people or users have said it pretty much gets fixed it simply by going to the menu and signing out and then signing back in. So you could go ahead and try this as your first methods. You can also try forcing stop or restarting the app and device. You can do this directly in the app settings. So force stop the app, going into settings, apps, Uber driver, and then pressing on force stop. Should be able to see this as one of the main features or main options. So restart your phone as well after doing so. You can also clear cache or reinstall. Make sure that you remember all your stuff and details. You don't want to lose your account. On Android settings, go ahead settings, app, Uber driver, storage, and clear cache and data. You're gonna have to log in back again, but you can also reinstall if you're doing this because it pretty much does the same. So on iOS, offload or delete and reinstall the app. And your last option over here is to update the app if you haven't, and OS. Make sure both the Uber driver and your device OS are fully up to date to potentially help you with this problem. So those are a few methods you can do to maybe fix this. And if it does work, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.